Hey everyone, Josh Martinez here, and welcome to this week's idea. So this week's idea is long the Nasdaq 100. Daily time frames inside of an up Fibonacci. We broke and closed above that counter trend line break bullish, and it looks as if the market is pushing, and it looks as if it wants all-time highs. Now there is a monthly up Fibonacci target, price point 32541.25 that we are seeking, which is like 7,663 ticks above the market. Now the daily stop is 26819.50 because the best place to put our stop will always be below the one boundary, just out of the way of the wave. A lot of this bullish movement is coming directly from the United States and the Iranian peace deal. The strait is open. You're going to see light crude oil start to sell off. Nasdaq have a nice little rally. One of the things you can do to try to lower your risk is go to like a 1 hour time frame and draw up trend lines. And as long as the market stays in the buy zone, what you can do is to start looking for counter trend line breaks bullish in the buy zone. It will require the market to move in a wave. Not saying the market will come down, but if the market does come down and form a low higher than the previous low, those are really nice buying opportunities. A little bit less risk than what the daily time frame has to offer. I'm sure you have a better strategy than just simple counter trend line breaks. If you do, it'd be a relatively good idea to use them. You can even go to like a 1 minute time frame as long as the market stays in the buy zone. Just look for that smaller risk, but go after that 7,663 ticks worth of bullish opportunity. All right, everyone, this concludes the this week's idea. So a couple things keep in mind. There is risk involved in trading. You should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we are not CTAs, which stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. And what that means, what we're going to share with you is research, and ultimately what you do with this information is completely up to you. Now, because we're not CTAs, Commodity Trading Advisors, we cannot dictate your trades and we cannot provide customized investment advice. Furthermore, we're not IBs, which stands for Introducing Brokers, so we never refer a broker to you. Picking a broker is a personal choice. Past performance is not indicative of future returns. What that means is no guarantees of a positive outcome. There's risk involved in every single trade. You place a trade, you could lose that trade, so there's no guarantee that you're going to win at trading. Be very, very aware of that. There is risk involved in trading. Look at us like a newspaper. We'll share with you our research, walk you through our trade ideas, but ultimately, what you do with this information is up to you. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you next time.